In step 2, you can also access a tool which allows you to replace audio in any video. Click on Record Audio, then select your video from the video library. Click on Record. The countdown will start and get ready for your new recording of your new audio. Once you hear a long beep, your recording will start. Once you finish, click on Stop Recording. Your video will be processed. You can review it as many times as you want. Once you hear a long beep, your recording will start. If you're not happy with your video, click on Delete Audio. If happy with your video, click on Replace Audio. It will be processed within the video library. You can also access the Replace Audio tool from the video library. Click on the tool icon on your video. You can cut it, download it, and delete it, and also replace the audio from your video. We recommend downloading and saving videos on your computer in case you need them again.